Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you'll learn on how to order from Kakobuy for beginners. So the first thing that you should do here is you just have to open any of your web browser. Then using the search bar at the top, you just have to search for Kakobuy. That's right, and click on this first website and you'd be directed to this page. Now, the thing that you're going to do here once you're inside of the website, you have to log in or sign up for an account if you don't have an account yet. So what I'm going to do here is to sign up for an account. So for the account setup, of course, you have to type out your email, you have to enter your password, and then if you have an invitational code, you can also type that code right here and click on sign up. Okay, so let me just type out my email right here. Okay, and then my password and click on sign up after that. Now the next thing that you should do is you just have to wait for a couple of seconds and then your account is good to go. So you'd be directed to the user center, and here on the user center you'd be able to see here the different coupons or discounts that you can use. For example, if you want to use this coupon now, you'd be directed to the order section. Okay, so here this is your home page, so you can use the search bar to search for a product or put here the link. So before that, let's go back to the user center and discuss this one. Okay, so let's go to the cart to be able to see here all of the orders or the items that you have added to your cart, your favorites and your histories. And for the orders, so I don't have any orders yet. And then the next one is the warehouse. Next, we have the rehearsal. So before the product is packed, the system is unable to obtain the accurate details of the product. And for the parcel, after successful payment of the parcel order, you'll be able to see here the parcel. And then for your wallet, you'll be able to see here your balance. And for the account, as you can see, we have the level privilege. So we have this different stages, and then how much discount that you can get. That's right. Now let's go to the custom section. So here, if you have a template, you can add the template right here. And then if you'd like to apply for an affiliate account, just go here to the affiliate section. Now let's go to the home page and let us try to use a product link or just type out the name of the product that you want to purchase. Okay, so let's try pillow. Okay, so just type out right here the name of the product, and of course you have to click on agree. Okay, so just wait for a couple of seconds and you'll be able to see here now the result. Okay, so these are the top results. So you just have to select the product that you want to purchase. Okay, and then after that, a new tab will open. And here we have a risk reminder. So product submitted might have one risk. And here, so for the brand products, the credit card payment and PayPal payment are not available for the products or the store. So you choose because of the brand copyright. So here I have read and willing to take all of the risks. So you have to check the box. So here we have the name of the product. Okay, and then the price of the product in USD. And we have also the shop discount. That's right. And then the source of this product is Taobao. Okay, now for the color classification, you have to select your color so you can change the quantity. So we have this color and this one. Now if you want to add more, just click on this plus icon right here. Okay, and then if you have special requirements regarding this order's purchasing, you can add that right here. And now Kakobuy will only purchase for you according to the link you enter. And if you have any doubts regarding your orders, reach out to the online service. And then the displayed products are from third-party platforms. So Kakobuy only provides information search, purchasing, and delivery services. Therefore, the Kakobuy cannot identify the quality and the authenticity of the goods. So using the Kakobuy's purchasing service means you accept the above risk by default. So click on agree and click on buy now or add it to your shopping cart. So let's click on the buy now option. and then just wait for a couple of seconds. Okay, so here you just have to click on confirm and read this reminders before clicking on confirm. Okay, now we have the details of the product. Okay, and then the next thing that you should do is to click on this box right here that you have read the terms or the friendly reminder. Okay, so after submitting the order and paid, please kindly wait for the seller to send. Submit international parcel order once stored at the warehouse and click on submit order after that. Okay, and then the next step is the checked out counter. So you have to select your payment method right here, and of course you have to change your currency first. Okay, so we are currently living in the Philippines, so we are going to search for Philippines, and then just have to select your country. Now just have to select your payment method. So we have credit or debit card and more. Okay, and then after selecting your payment method, the next thing that you should do is to click on confirm payment. That's right. Now they're processing your payments, so just wait for a couple of seconds, and then right here you have your order summary. So for the billing, you have to add your first name, your last name. So we already have our email right here and our country, and then put your city right here and then your complete address. Okay, and then after adding your complete address, you have to input right here the details of your card. Since we selected the debit or the credit card, we have to put here the card number, the month, the year, and the other details, and you just have to click on the pay now option. So after paying for this product, you have to go to the user center if you want to monitor your product. So just go here to your profile at the top right, and then go to the user center, and then go to the orders. So right here, this is your order. So if you haven't paid yet, you just have to click on this pay option. So again, the Kakobuy is an online shopping platform known for offering a wide range of trendy, often streetwear inspired clothing, accessories, and lifestyle products at affordable prices. It caters primarily to fashion forward consumers looking for unique and edgy styles that are often hard to find in the mainstream stores. So the platform operates similarly to other e-commerce marketplaces, sourcing products from various suppliers, many which are based in Asia and shipping internationally. While Kakobuy has gained popularity for its distinctive styles and variety, customers are advised to carefully review product description, sizing charts, and reviews to ensure quality and fit, as experiences may vary. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.